In 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable Rice Krispie treats. It'll take you about 10 minutes or less to do. So we're going to start with Rice Krispie treats. Now, of course, you could make them from scratch and they would taste like way better. But in the interest of time, I just use the standard store-bought variety. So you'll just grab them, and then you're also going to grab some candy melts. Now I used green, pink, and purple in this particular project, and you'll just melt them according to the package's directions. Make sure you stir well as you're melting and do not overcook, otherwise it will be a gross, burned, rubbery mess that will not be of any help to you. So then you're going to grab those Rice Krispies that we unwrapped and you're going to dip that into the container. Now I recommend using a pyrex just because it's kind of elongated and not too deep, so it's about the perfect size. And you're going to drop it in about halfway, and then while the candy melt is still wet, go ahead and add your accessories. So I did candy eyes and some really fun star-shaped sprinkles, and then I did the same thing with the pink candy melts. And again, I just used some sprinkles and some candy eyes, kind of making them a little girly. And then here you can see I also did some green. On the green ones, I did black sprinkles for the hair and some Twizzlers to make a mouth and even a scar. So kind of going for a little bit Frankenstein look there. And I completed this board with Trick or Treat that I also made using candy melts. Now to set these out, you can do them on a little tray along with some homemade candy and some dipped pretzel rods. I also put these on my candy charcuterie board, which I have a video on that you can check out. I made most of the elements here and it turned out so pretty, and this was definitely a centerpiece at my Halloween party. So hopefully you can see that these are easy to make and quite delicious. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.